Why are you mad?
I'm sad.
Why are you sad?
I don't want to take a picture.
You don't want to take a picture? Is that why you're mad? Because I have the camera?
Oh, I have the camera, please?
What? Can you have what? You want to have what? You may not have my camera. No, you may not. You can't have it? What are you eating? What are you eating? You want to eat it? You don't want to. You don't want to eat it all up. Why not? Why are you sad? Don't be sad.
I'm mad.
Don't be mad. What? No, don't be mad. You're cute. That's what you are. No, don't be sad, Mason. You're crying because you're sad? You're so dramatic. You poked your eye. Oh, look what I did to your eyeball. I didn't do anything. I'm over here.
Look at what's dead. Look at what's dead, Mommy. Look at what's dead, Mommy.
Be careful, please.
You put my eyebrow, Mommy.
Don't poke your eye, Mason.
You put my eyebrow, Mommy.
Oh, because I plucked my eyebrows earlier in front of you. I see what you're saying now. I copied.
It's just plucking your eyebrow.
I was plucking my eyebrow. You're right.
Look at the clock. Look at the clock. What you do, Maria? He's up there.
Aunt Maria's up there? Really? What you doing, Aunt Maria? That was funny.
What are you doing, Aunt Maria? You are up there now?
You are up. Apparently, Aunt Maria's on my ceiling. All right, that's enough lunchtime talk with the mace.
I want to talk to the picture.
You want to talk to the picture?
I want to talk.
All right, Mason, say bye-bye. See you later.
I want the picture.
I'll see you later.
I want the picture. I want the picture. I want the picture. I want the
Say bye-bye.
I don't want to say bye-bye.
All right, you don't have to say bye-bye.